Hello everybody and welcome back. Omega Given here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a free cam for this is actually works for basically any Unity game with special things and everything. But just realize that this is cheating in most games and you can get banned or even hard game banned, meaning your copy of the game is invalid. So yeah, please be careful with this. Also, I will not provide support to anyone in the comments for this because I want you guys to know how to do this yourself, and I'm just providing a tool to be able to find the links to things and show that it is possible to do this. I am only strictly using this for video content creation only, not cheating, and if you cheat, it's not my fault. And yeah, that's all your fault. This is why I'm not going to provide support for this. But let's get started. So you guys want to have free cam so you can be able to look around and everything. And you can see right here, I'm in Township Tale. Yes, it's a game that I love to play a lot, and I'm going to use this to be able to make good lore videos because we need to get a lot better, video gameplay movement and all that stuff. But that's okay. So how do you do this? For one, let's close out of the game. And I'm just going to show you, I do have links right here. I got a whole step-by-step, thing that we can go through. For one, you need to get the correct version of a BepinEx, and you can find that link in the description down below. These instructions will be in the description down below. So if I go here, you'll be able to see what kind of version you should get. I do not want to, I want you guys to struggle. I'm not going to show you which one you need to get, but I'll hint that you do not want to get the newest 6.0 version. So you're going to have to go here, find the version you want. You can download whichever version, whether it be from older versions or whatnot. And you get that, you drag and drop it into the Alta directory or into your game directory. This can be for almost any Unity game. So you drag and drop it into any Unity game directory, which here we have a Township Tale. We drag and dropped it in here, and then we run the game. Once you run the game, it's going to populate it with even more folders. It normally only has the one folder, maybe 3 folders, but it'll populate it. And then after that, you got to launch. You can launch the game just to see if it did populate, or actually, I already said that. You populate the game. After you do that, you download the folders for the different things that I use to be able to do the free cam. So here we have the BepinEx config manager. I don't actually know these all that well myself, just because I'm making this video a little bit more when I'm prematurely understanding how this stuff works. But yes, so you can get the config manager. We got to get the Unity Explorer. The Unity Explorer and the free move injector are the two things that actually help us do this the most. You need to make sure you get the correct one that corresponds to your Bepin release that you find. You get the free move injector, throw that into the plugins folder. You get the enable is a plugin build in the plugin folder, and then you run the game again. Once you run the game again, it should all pop up after you literally drag and drop these files in to their respective folders. There's a couple of other folders you have to drag and drop some files in, but it's fairly self-explanatory. Now, I'm just warning you right now, I'm pretty sure the game developers don't want you to do this. I'm just going to hope that they do not ban me, and hopefully they don't ban you, because I really just want this tool to be out there for people that are trying to make decent quality videos. And I do not take any credit for this. Actually, I need to give more credit to the people that are in those GitHubs. Thank you for all those people in the GitHubs. I think there's Sashin and whoever's in the Bepin community that actually do develop this to be able to make it so we can do free cam, so we can get some good video of stuff. But yeah. If you guys like this video, please give it a like, subscribe. This is going to be on our tech channel, Omega Solutions. If you want to check out our main channel, Omega Given, that's where we actually feature this game, and a lot of the video there. Please do not link this video down in other people's Discords, and just because I just want this to stay strictly to my channel. I don't want people to try to abuse this in any way. This is mainly for tech purposes and, just checking purposes. Thank you, and we'll see you all later.